Hi guys, my hand like all out. Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed my hair and how I styled it and got these cute little effortless curls in my hair. And it's cute, simple, and easy for college girls like me who can't afford to always go to the hairdresser and get your hair done. Make your own wig, you can install it yourself, and you can style it yourself and still look like a baddie on a budget, because everybody doesn't have $200-300 to just blow on the hair itself and getting your hair done. And my hair that I'm wearing today is from this company called Tinashe. It's here for like 3 months now and it's still like holding up pretty good. But I think I have an 18-inch frontal, then 18, 20, and 22-inch hair. I'm short, so it's kind of long on me. It like comes like right under my boobs. So, you know, I'm giving you girls inches. But yes, I'm going to show chin, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your people about me, your brother, your mother, your cousin, about your girl. And thank you guys for watching my videos. Ow. Oh my god, that really just hurt. Hey y'all, I got just braid. I have 4 braids right here for that part so it can be flat. I braided myself even though I don't know how to braid. Then I have like 4 like chunky twist braids or whatever going on the back. I do not know how to braid. I need to learn, because I feel like every black girl, ow, I'm just really smacking myself. I feel like every black girl know how to braid with me. From the beauty supply store. I'm gonna be using the Got to Be Glue spray, blasting free spray. I first do it, so just spraying by my hairline. Like rubbing alcohol. Is this the part that you really need to be focusing on? Like right up in this area where the closure. Now just fan that so it can get, now like for extra security, so we know that it's on there and it's laid, I'm going to use like the Got to Be Glued glue, the gel, I guess you can say, not glue. And I'm going to be putting it like within the same spot I sprayed the freeze spray. Me fanning it wasn't drying enough, fast enough for me, so I have my blow dryer just to and get you better scissors than what I have, because make sure y'all don't cut y'all edges off, because sometimes I do be messing up. Save the edges. I be having to get real close. Okay, so after I cut it down to like this and have it this flat, I'm going to get like a powder foundation that's like around my color, and I'm going to brush it. You see how that's like blending in right there when I'm putting it on there? That's the effect we're trying to go for. And I'm just putting it. Okay, so now after I do that, back in with the Got to Be Glued, and now I'm going to put it all right there. So now I could lay my wig down. The wig that I'm going to be putting on today is a wig that I made. This is a lace closure wig I made myself. I always make my wigs. This is the wig that I'm going to be wearing today, and the hair is by a company called Tinashe, affordable hair vendors, because like I said, I'm just a college student and I don't really have the funds to be buying $300, $400 bundles. If I want to be honest, like I don't have it like that, and I'm not about to be acting like I have it like that. So yes, and I always put an elastic band on my wigs for more security, and like that actually holds it down, so it'll be like tight fitting, form fitting on your head, so it doesn't go anywhere. And then I love to get the dome caps with the adjustable straps on it, so it can be even tighter, cause the wig about to fall off. Not mine. Oh, for right now. I'm not putting it all the way on, but and now I'm gonna be going back in with my Got to Be gel and putting it right here on my hair. And with the gel, probably got like a dime size amount. I'm just going back in with it. Edge brush thing, it has the brush on that part and like the comb on that part. I like to, with the comb part, push in, like, how can I explain this? With the gel, with the glue on top of the cap, I like to like push it down, like you can see what I'm doing, to give it like even more of a flat scalp like look. I don't know if you guys can see, so I'll scoot up a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with my blow dry on low. And it has dried already, so now I'm going in with the second coat of glue. And like I said, I don't do this every time. I don't do like 2 coats of glue every time, but I do 2 when I'm trying to be looking snatched, like when I'm trying to be like, what wig, like this is my hair, it's coming out of my scalp. Back with the dime size amount, going back in. Out again. And this time I'm not going to let it dry all the way. I'm going to get it like a little tacky, and then I'm going to pull my wig up, apply, and then you're going to see. My wig up. The rat tooth comb, go in with it with that. Sorry, usually okay, so you see how it looks like very natural, like it kind of looks like I have on a frontal, but I don't. But with my hair down like this, you would, this, ladies and gentlemen, is your best friend, a hot comb. And I purchased it from the beauty supply store. I honestly don't remember how much it was, but you just go to your local beauty supply store, like your little corner store, and they're going to have it.
Cedric on the beat.
I just finished my baby hairs, curls in my hair, but before I do that, I'm gonna go in with this Argan Oil. My light is like so freaking bright and it's blocking everything. This Argan Oil heat protectant spray. I got it from supply store. Just picked up a heat protectant spray for when I go into my hair so it don't get heat damage. Spray my brush and I brush it with so it could get to parts that I didn't spray, and I make sure I get the ends so the ends don't be all dry and raggedy looking. Let's start with the back. And then my flat iron is a Fahrenheit hair care system flat iron. This is a regular old flat iron, nothing fancy. Just gonna get it. So that's how my whole head came out, and I'm just going to run my fingers through the curls. You can see like the bottom. Get like some big bouncy. Trying to cut layers mid video. Like I'm recording and it don't come out how I want it to come out. Like, sis, what are you doing? And Kera Care wax stick. Like it's not focusing because of my light, but it's called Kera Care wax stick. And then all you do is just put it on the top by your flyaways.
Cedric on the beat.
And I really, not really dealt with nothing. You know what I mean?
Jack, we sang. Yeah, yeah.
I'm not like this.
I'm not like